welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really interesting gaming mechanical keyboard from the company called Redragon. So basically I have the module called VISNU, or it has the code name K561. Actually, we are talking about mechanical gaming keyboard. And before I start with review, I'd like to say a few words about main features of this keyboard. For the start, I'd like to say that it has 87 keys. It is quite smaller than standard keyboard. So basically, I'm going to show you how normal keyboard looks comparing with this one. So basically, you can see approximately 10 centimeters is smaller than the normal keyboard, and because of that it has 87 keys, but it doesn't matter because the primary purpose for this keyboard is gaming, and you have enough keys for any game. Besides that, it is very interesting that this keyboard has IP67 certificate. In other words, it means that this keyboard is waterproof, which is great feature because you probably have heard many times that someone has spilled water or Coca-Cola or something else to the keyboard, and after that, unfortunately, the keyboard has stopped working. But in this situation, you don't need to worry about that because it has IP67 waterproof certificate. Besides that, the case of the keyboard is made from metal and high quality ABS. Also, it has a really cool design. As you can see, it looks really cool. From other features, I can say, as you can see, probably that it supports RGB lighting effects, which are amazing. Believe me, in reality, this RGB lights looks amazing. So basically, you have 6 different RGB settings, also 4 brightness levels. Besides that, all these settings about RGB can be adjusted only with several keys, which I am going to later show you how you can change and adjust RGB settings. Besides that, if you want additionally adjust RGB lighting effects, you can always go to the Redragon website and download their software, where you will be able to change anything regarding RGB. Besides that, this keyboard is durable, and from available information, keys can bear up to 50 million times. This is so amazing, and because of that I can say this is a very high quality keyboard for the gaming, of course. Besides that, this keyboard is plug and play, and you don't need to download any drivers. It can work on any Windows and Mac version. You just plug your USB cable into computer and you are ready for use. Besides that, I think that's it, because besides the keyboard, you will also receive tools for removing keys if you will need to clean your keyboard or something replace. But from that you will receive tools, keyboard and short user manual. And now in the next few minutes I am going to show you how you can adjust RGB lighting effects, what kind of effects you have, and I'm going to show you how loud are the keys when you're typing something in the Word or playing games. So stay tuned. Okay, as I said earlier, now I'm going to show you how you can use this keyboard for changing RGB effects. So basically, anything you want to adjust about RGB, you need to press FN key. And then after that, here are 6 keys for different backlight settings. And here 4 keys for changing how strong brightness, the speed, and changing additional color. So let's start. First of all, when you press the FN and this, you can see it's changing the solid colors actually, and it looks like this. So basically it is changing the solid color every few seconds. And as I said, with this key you can change colors. Okay. After that, let's try another one. This mode shows the color when you press the button, and it's really cool to see. So it's not lighting all the time, just when you press any button. And let's see what we can change with this. Oh, okay, so basically you can change the color which will show when you press the button. So different colors: green, blue, purple. So basically a really cool effect. Let's try another one. So this is the RGB rainbow, very popular effect among gamers, and my personally favorite one. It looks really cool, and believe me, in reality it looks even better. So basically let's see what we can change for this rainbow. Okay, just different colors. So it's going from up to bottom. And I believe we can change the brightness levels with these 2 keys. So basically if we want to turn off or lower the brightness, we just do this. And if we want to stronger the brightness, it's on every key there's a small icon which tells you what kind of function this key has. And let's try another one. It goes off like this, like wind. Another cool effect. So basically you can see you have many different possibilities regarding RGB effects. So it only depends what kind of effect you like. And as I said earlier, of course, you can additionally change RGB effects lighting with software, which is completely free and you can download from Redragon website. And last thing, it is about how loud the keys are actually, because this gaming keyboard has blue switches, and I'm going to compare it with normal rebrand keys. So basically, just a moment, I'm going to open the Word. Okay. Okay, so basically this is how this keyboard sounds when you're writing something. And this is normal writing, nothing too hard, just soft touch on the keys. So okay, the sound is not too loud, but also not too low, something in the middle, thanks to the blue switches. And let's compare it with normal keyboard. Yes, the normal keyboard is much quieter, and the mechanical keyboard is normally louder. Okay. Overall, this gaming keyboard is not too much expensive because it costs around $50. And in my opinion, if you're looking for this kind of keyboard, which is not too big for your space and it has RGB lighting effects, also it is waterproof, then for sure you need to consider this Redragon keyboard. And if you decide to buy this keyboard, I believe you will be very happy about this keyboard. So basically, that's it about this really cool keyboard from Redragon. I hope that I helped you with this information in this review, and I would be very thankful for you if you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.